So this question is taken from class 9 science, that is okay. Question is, how is acid rain caused? Okay, let us see how is acid rain caused. So the answer of this question is, how is acid rain caused? Answer is, fossil fuels like petroleum and coal contain small amount of nitrogen and sulfur. When fossil fuels are burnt, nitrogen and sulfur contained in the fossil fuel form their respective oxides. They dissolve in water, in rainwater. So they dissolve in rainwater to form acids and come down as acid rain. I hope you have understood this answer of how the acid rain caused, and thanks for watching.